Hi, I'm Cody from Endura Products, and today we're going to talk about Endura's replaceable deck seal and how to remove the construction Dunnage system and replace with new aluminum and a new Z-Series cap. Let's get started. First, remove your cap, and then remove the plastic Dunnage seal deck. With the construction Dunnage system removed, you're now ready to replace with the finished aluminum and finished Z-Series cap. It's important to note that should you live in an area that requires hurricane anchoring, Endura's replaceable deck seal is integrated with various hurricane anchor points. To replace the aluminum, slide in place. With the aluminum replaced, apply your Z-Series cap. And now you have converted your temporary Dunnage system to a perfectly finished product.